This fuss-free air fryer meal, infused with lemongrass, lime leaves, ginger and chilli, is the perfect way to get delicious food on the table fast. My super tasty, super speedy chicken in a bag. First job, beautiful rice noodle nests. One person, one nest, some boiling water, and just let these rehydrate. 2 or 3 minutes. Let's start with these beautiful lime leaves. Just squeeze it in half and take that little stalk out like that. Get rid of it, tear that in. So we'll put a little salt in there, and then we'll have a little tap up. Then half a thumb-sized piece of ginger, along with some chilli, 1 clove of garlic, beautiful. And I'm gonna use half a lemongrass, chop up the lemongrass, then we get it back into here to get bruised. And after a little time, you get a lovely paste like that. I'm just gonna add just a little bit of coriander stalks and a little soy sauce, just a little teaspoon of sesame oil. We could just rub that paste on the chicken, but we haven't got any surface area. So by scoring that fatter end slightly deeper and scoring this end slightly thinner, you've created this surface area. It looks great, the heat can get in there. We can take that beautiful paste and rub it all over this chicken, right into the cuts. Gonna wash my hands. Let's get some veg in the story, some pak choy, some sugar snap peas, some lovely corn. Let's cut the sugar snaps in half. I'm gonna slice up the spring onions like that. I'll half the lime for later. Now, what I'm gonna do now is just drain these noodles. Now, let's take a nice little swoop of tin foil, fold it in half, fold it in half again, put a little sesame oil or oil and rub it in so nothing sticks. Noodles go in. Then a lovely pak choy. We're gonna put around it the sugar snaps and spring onions and the corn. Let's just do a little extra chili, a little coriander. We're then gonna take our chicken, take an egg, mix it up, and this is gonna stick the corners of our bag together. So let's fold this over like that. Fold it up until you start to feel the food. So down here, just put in some water, a little swig, and we just fold up that last side. Let's get this into the air fryer, 20 minutes at 200. Then in the other drawer, I'm gonna put in some peanuts. They're gonna go in for just 5 minutes until golden and gorgeous, and we're done. You can see the steam coming out. Be careful, peel it back. And what you're revealing is something just truly tremendous. Just pick some lovely little delicate herb over the top just to freshen it up, and maybe a few extra little bits of chili. Get those nuts, bash them up, and sprinkle those over the top. Just tear that bag and just shake it onto the plate like that. Absolutely brilliant.